well.
Your friend.
Stay away from the vehicle, it might blow.
Hey.
Right, I'm gonna park my E3 up here and then go on the roof. Right, I'm going up roof, guys. Tell me when you've done.
Stop, you evil thing! Don't pull me up!
Dude, are you friendly?
Yes, sir.
Are you cooperation?
I'm for. Yes.
Alright then, carry on. Right, officer, I'm gonna go locate myself on the roof.
Helicopter, Oliver. There goes another bomb.
Microphone muted.
It's one of ours, it's alright.
Oh god! Help! I'm getting abducted!
You what, dude?
He's stealing me! I can't fight it! He's pulling me away!
What you on about?
The hacker, he's pulling me away! Look how far out I am!
Microphone activated. Microphone muted.
Shots! I'm getting shot at.
I told him.
Who's leaving? Alright. I think it's the hacker, I'm not sure.
What the fuck is going on?
Hey hacker, could you pull me back?
I'm hit, guys. Can the helicopter dude try pick me up? I'm on the roof. If you just auto hover, I'll hop in and then you can go.
You wanna get in the helicopter, man? I gotta tell
Yeah, I
you,
wanna
sometimes
get
I'm
in.
not the one who's piloting it. Man, sometimes the hacker takes over my heli, man. Can't control it all the time. Ah, I'm getting shot. I'm dead. No! Ah! My heli! No! Oh god!
Yeah, he got killed in it.
Something just happened to me, man.
Don't worry guys, we will all get content. Just take some screenshots of what you have in your vehicles.
Next.
Jezus Christus.
Oh no,
Microphone
I'm also
activated.
there.
Ik heb geen idee. Ja, dat is mooi. Ja, ik zie het.
No, I was there. I think there was hackers because like my internet cut out or something because it logged like me off or something. My internet didn't cut out, but it logged me off.
Yeah,
Are they
me too,
hackers
buddy.
or what?
Of course they are, man.
Who's reporting them?
Max, kom maar naar Teamspeak als je het dood bent.
Well, if you die, whoever died by the hacker, you'll get compensation for whatever you lost and a bit more. Oliver guy, how did you die? She was like still
Moet het
flying.
even wat ga ik doen? Ik heb aanvraag aangedaan voor de broadcast. Als je even tapt en dan staat er iets over een broadcast en een ding maar. Oké, kom maar naar Teamspeak. Zeg dat je hacker hebt in je naam.
We're already in here.